Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to focus on show grid lines button because leveler here is only available with grid lines, so just one tap and we can turn them on, another tap to turn them off of course, and now we have to tap to the bottom of this button so we can get access to more options about the grid lines with straighten button. This is our leveler. Also here by just one tap we can turn it on and off as we need, and when we have it turned it on, it appears here in the grid. This is useful, for example, when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture, and this is how it works. When we have yellow line, we can be sure that we hold it steady, and of course when we don't need it, we have to move back to right corner settings and turn it off here or here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.